everyone. In this video we will see that how you can create a route for a field team or a field rep. So once you're logged in into CRM, go to the FSM, click on the second option, routes. It will open a routes window. Now on the right side, click on the plus new icon. In the very first field, give a name to the route for which, like, let's suppose I'm creating a route for December 23rd. On which module we can create routes on both leads and account. Let's take an example of a lead assigned to who will be the field person who will be going to visit on this route. User can enter the start location for his office or directly for the if your field rep is starting a route directly from home, he can mention that address. End location can be same as the starting location, or you can choose a different end location. Now the next step is adding the store names on which field rep will be visiting. Click on the plus new icon. Here you need to select a particular territory for that particular rep, which has been already created in the CRM. Once it's selected, you can select the name of the lead names or a customer names for which route need to be created. At a time, user can select 25 locations maximum. Click on save. Okay. And then again click on save. So once you click on a save button, a route will be created for this particular user, and when the user will log into his mobile app, there he will be able to see that particular route. Thank you.